Hey, I found some nice little deals in the back aisle at Lowe's. This 8-inch round chimney brush, $7.72 down from $30.98. Now that's a markdown anybody would like. And they've got some aluminum slant roof vents, $4.52 down from $19.98. And they also have a 2-pack of straps, 1.5-inch wide by 14 foot. You're not going to tie down a car with it, but there's a lot of things you could use it to tie down. $23.97 down from $29.98. And there's another vent, a total jack. You can swivel this around, need any pitch. 6-inch, $7.22 down from $29.98. Another nice. And here's another set of those smart straps. Brand straps. It's a 2-pack like the other one. These are 1,000-pound safe workload, 3,000-pound brake strength, and they're 10 foot. These are $23.97 down from $29.98. And they've also got some peel and stick wallpaper. And it's $12.49 down from $49.98. This will give you a little idea what it looks like. And in my store, they've got several packages of it. And they've got it in at least a couple of different designs too. And here we've got a 52-inch pan, a Monte Carlo. And it's $287.40 down from $383.20. And up in the front on a table, they've got DeWalt Impact Connect, the PVC PEX cutter, and it's $79 down from $129. We've seen that in the back aisle quite a lot. And they've also got some driver bits, $24.98 down from $39.98. And some socket trays, $6.57 down from $10.98. And they've got a 2-amp-hour 15-gauge nailer, $199 down from $299. It's a Metabo HPT.